Welcome to wizard.com. This is Ashwini, maths tutor. Our question is, in the given figure, ABCD is a quadrilateral such that angle D equals to 90 degree. A circle with a center O and radius R touches the side AB, BC, CD and DA at P, Q, R and S respectively. If BC equals to 47 centimeters, CD equals to 32 centimeters and BP equals to 37 centimeters, find R. Here we have given that ABCD is a quadrilateral A, B, C and D. Then that circle touches the quadrilateral at point P, Q, R and S. O is the center. Now join this OR and OS. Since the tangent to the circle is perpendicular to the radius through the point, therefore angle DRO equals to angle OSD equals to 90 degree. This is because OR is perpendicular to DC and OS is perpendicular to DA. We have given that angle D equals to 90 degree. This is given. Also, OR equals to OS, radii of the same circle. Therefore, ORGS is a square. Since tangents from an external point to the circle are equal in length, therefore BP equals to BQ, CQ equals to CR and DR equals to DS. DR equals to DS. Tangents from external point to the circle are equal in length. So now BP equals to BQ. So BQ is 37 because BP we have given that your BP is 37. So BQ will be 37. Now this BQ is BC minus CQ. So BC minus CQ equals to 37. We have given that BC is 47. So 47 minus CQ is 37. So CQ is 47 minus 37 means 10 centimeters. BC is 47. So, BC equals to 47 centimeter. We have given that. CQ is 10 centimeters. Now, CQ equals to CR. So, CR is also 10 centimeters. CR is CD minus DR. So, it is 10 centimeter. As CD is given by 32 centimeters. So, 32 minus DR is 10 centimeter. So, DR will be 32 minus 10 means 22 centimeters. But ORDS is a square. Is a square. So, OR equals to DR equals to 22 centimeter. That is, R is 22 centimeters. Hence, R is 22 centimeters.